guys, welcome to my newest listing right here in Vestavia. This is 1310 Wakefield Lane. It is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath home, about 2,800 square feet for $539,900. It is a great price and a great location. So we're right here in Vestavia, very close to Cobble Heights. Mountain Brook is literally right down here off of Overton Road, but this location is perfect. That is centrally located to get to downtown very quickly and pretty much any suburb in the Birmingham area. So you're gonna have tons of shopping, you're gonna have bars, you're gonna have tons of restaurants to choose from, because the summit is literally a rock's throw from here. And like I said, it is at a perfect location, and I can't wait to kind of explore this home with you, take you on a quick tour of this home and show you what it all has to offer right here in Vestavia Hills. So come on with me, and I can't wait to show you this beautiful house. All right guys, we're on the inside now. Thank you for visiting my channel. My name is Matt Williams with Art Realty. I'm a local real estate agent here in the Birmingham area. We'll spin the camera around. We actually have another visitor today touring this property with us. His name is Sully. I'm gonna spin the camera around and we're gonna introduce you to Sully before we take a tour. Hey Sully, say hey to my viewers. Sully. I think that's what he thinks about my channel as I'm trying to. Sully, man, come here, buddy. There you go. So can you say hey? Can you say hey to the viewers? He's a beautiful Great Dane. All right, I'm gonna take a tour. Is that okay? You're gonna help me? All right, buddy. All right, as soon as you enter into the home, the first thing you'll notice is a nice dining room to the left side as you enter into the entryway. And then to the right side here, you're gonna have a banquet of stairs that goes up, and we'll show you the upstairs in a minute. But I'm gonna go ahead and just walk you on through. So the first thing that I notice when I walk in this home is obviously these lighter floors and these ceilings here. I don't know if you can see, huge ceilings. It's gonna let in a lot of natural light. Big dining room right here. Just flows so well. I like how they've painted pretty much the whole home white. Just keeps it light and airy and very peaceful in here. But these ceilings make this home feel way bigger than it is. It's about, like I said, it's about 2,800 square feet. And then up there, I can't wait to show you that that room up there. That's going to be an additional attic space, so stay tuned. You'll get some extra square footage there if you wanted to do a build out. So I'm going to pan straight through here, the kitchen. So it just kind of flows through into the kitchen, a nice eat-in area here. You do have the a walk-in washer and dryer, laundry room there. Nice washer and dryer. Pan out here, and then you off the side there you have the off to a deck, and I'll show you that here in just a second. And then to the left here is going to be a garage. I'm going to come around the camera now and kind of show you the kitchen and all of the things that the kitchen has to offer. All right, I wanted to come around the camera for to kind of highlight the kitchen. So nice big open kitchen. Kind of flows completely through into the living room, nice and open. Got the nice white tile flooring and got floor to ceiling cabinetry for a lot of storage. Also, it does have a stainless steel package of Whirlpool appliances. So obviously you see the fridge here. You have the dishwasher here, gas range here, and microwave. So if you love to cook, perfect kitchen for that. Also right off the kitchen is gonna be the garage here. So it just flows straight through right into the kitchen area. So really like this kitchen, and we'll just continue this tour. All right, we got the nice 2-car garage here. Do a little bit of storage in here. Right off the kitchen, it's a 2-car garage. And then I'm just gonna spin back around. I'm gonna go right outside and show you the back patio. Nice little deck area. Guys, nice new deck out back. Little yard area to the right, so this would be perfect for entertaining. This door right here on the right, that actually goes back into the living room, but a nice little extra yard right here, side yard, a little backyard here. Not a big backyard because, you know, in the location we're in the Wellington Park, so you got a lot of homes in here, and a lot of people that buy in here. Is definitely for the convenience of being right here in the heart of Vestavia, and really close to the Summit shops and things like that. So pretty much any restaurant you can think of. Let's check on Sully. Sully, how you doing? How you doing, man? Am I doing a good job? Can you say something? Can you speak? All right, he doesn't want to speak. Anyway, all right, let's go into the primary suite. So right before you get to the primary suite, you have a nice half bath right here for guests. Nice granite tops there. So that is actually a great little feature there for guests. So right into the primary bedroom here. So this is a big bedroom. Gonna have tray ceilings. His and her closet. So his closet there, and then into the bathroom. Got these nice double doors to shut off the bathroom. So there's gonna be another closet in there that I'll show you as well. So you got a little sitting area right here to get ready in the mornings. But then you have a single vanity here. So the first thing I notice about this bathroom is the amount of light that it lets in because of the windows. Here, her closet there. So his and her closets right there. And then you got the shower here. So even if you open up these windows right here, I mean, we're letting in, I'm gonna back it on up. We're even letting in even more light. So just, that is one of the features that I love about this bathroom, is how light and airy it is. Let's head on upstairs. All right, as we're traveling upstairs, let's talk a little bit about kind of Vestavia. And according to niche.com, obviously look at the school ratings and things like that, but Vestavia schools are great schools. In my opinion, and according to niche.com, you can take a look at that. So, like I said, we are centrally located in Vestavia. Real quick, look at this. So we are upstairs now. We just have this open railing here that kind of just lets you just take in how high these ceilings are. There's Sully down there, if you see. Get you in this corner here and pan up. Man, these are some high ceilings. All right, I'm gonna go back over here and kind of show you this first room. So this is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath. So this is gonna be 2 bedrooms upstairs. Obviously the master was on the main. This room actually has a bonus closet, just very large closet. She has like a little working station there. Recently for Christmas, looks like she has a lot of wrapping paper there. But that's a huge closet. And then obviously you have another closet over right next door. To the right, it's going to be your guest bath, shower, tub combo. And then right behind me is going to be the other bedroom, kind of used as an office here. Check out this closet. So more windows, nice walk-in closet here. So more windows, which would, I mean, look at the light. That is one thing about this home that I'm just loving as I'm touring it, is the amount of light you can achieve with all the windows in the home. let's go into the attic space, and I want to talk to you a little. I'm going to come around the camera and kind of tell you a little bit about this attic space. But it's actually awesome space here. All right, I'm actually up here in the attic. It has a walk-in attic storage, which is ginormous. You can actually finish out this room, have extra square footage added to this home, which actually would increase the value. So nice vaulted ceilings, so you can definitely get some higher ceilings in here as well. And it actually has a window there to let in some natural light. So this would be a perfect expansion opportunity for this home to increase the square footage and increase the value of the home. So I really like this feature of this home. All right, let's head on back downstairs. If you like this house and have more questions about it, please hit me up in a comment section or shoot me a DM. I'll have my information in that below. But one more little pan here. Kind of show off how open, light, and airy this home is. All right, guys, me and Sullivan are here to wrap up this tour. Thank you for coming with me today to kind of tour this home and talk to you all about this particular home. So again, 1310 Wakefield Lane. It's in Wellington Park. It's a newest listing of mine. So if you want any more information about this home, please send me a message, send me a DM, put a message in the comments. But like I said, this home is a beautiful home right here in the heart of Vestavia, perfect location. And I would love to give you a private tour if that's something that you're interested. But if you are relocating to the Birmingham area, please get in touch with me. I'm a local real estate agent here. I'd be happy to help you. If it's not with this home, any other homes in the area, I can help you do that. So thanks for coming with me today, and I will catch you on the next one. Hey, Sully, can you tell them bye, man? Can you tell them bye? Tell them bye, bro. Thanks, guys.
All right, so if you want to stick around for a little quick driving tour of the particular neighborhood of Wakefield Park, keep watching, and now I'll catch you on the next one.